Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyer Satish Mane Shinde has welcomed Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's request to the CBI asking them to make the findings of the investigation public. Mr. Mane Shinde, who represented Rhea when she was interrogated by the CBI, ED and NCB, has also alleged that the accusations made against Rhea and her family were false. 6 months after the tragic demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, the Indian public still has no clarity about what the CBI has determined in the course of their 4-month-long investigation. The CBI was brought in after political parties got involved and the government allowed the CBI to investigate the actor's demise. The case was transferred from Mumbai police, who came under heavy criticism for not being able to find answers immediately. Sadly, after 4 months of investigation, there still doesn't seem to be any closure for Sushant's family and fans. Take a look. Sushant Singh Rajput was only 34 when he passed away, and understandably, his demise created shockwaves across India and the entire film fraternity. There were also conspiracy theories and allegations of foul play that further complicated the matter, and the CBI was brought in to shed light on an increasingly murky case. Rhea Chakrabarti, who has claimed to have been Sushant's partner at the time of his demise, was named as the main suspect in an FIR filed by Sushant's family, and the actor was subject to interrogation by multiple agencies and even stayed in jail for a month before finally getting bail. However, the CBI is still to submit its final findings, and now almost 4 months after it was called in to conduct an unbiased investigation, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Anil Deshmukh, has now asked the central agency for its findings. The minister had said that people around the country are still waiting for answers, and also added that he is frequently asked questions about the status of the case. Welcoming the Home Minister's comments, Rhea's lawyer Satish Mane Shinde ने कहा है कि जब मुंबई पुलिस को 2 महीने लगे तो लोगों ने तरह-तरह के इल्जाम लगाए थे। अब 4 महीने बाद जब सीबीआई अपनी रिपोर्ट नहीं सबमिट कर रही है, तो इस बात के लिए उन्हें क्वेश्चन किया जाना चाहिए। The lawyer also added that Rhea was arrested in a bogus case and by various agencies before finally getting bail from the Bombay High Court. Mr. Mane Shinde ने कहा है that it has been 6 months since Sushant passed away and it is high time that there is closure in the case. He feels कि investigation चाहे कोई भी करे, इससे सुशांत के demise की सच्चाई बदल नहीं जाएगी. Parallelly, Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti is still continuing her digital campaigns to keeping the memory of her brother alive. She recently launched a hashtag #LoveForSSR campaign and urged the late actor's fans to pay tribute to the actor by donating books, food and clothing to the poor and needy, or planting a sapling in the memory of the actor. It is unfortunate indeed that so much unpleasantness was caused in the aftermath of Sushant's demise. One can only hope that the divisions that were caused can be healed and members of the film fraternity will work towards creating a more peaceful working environment.